This is the first Windows Mini PC with a Qualcomm Snapdragon. Lenovo IdeaCentre Mini X, a compact powerhouse for home and productivity. Lenovo unveiled the IdeaCentre Mini X at CES 2025, a versatile mini PC designed for both home and productivity environments. This 1-liter device offers the full functionality of a Copilot PC in a compact and quiet package. Key features of the IdeaCentre Mini X include: dual fan cooling system, ensures optimal performance, even under heavy workloads. Upgradeable design, easily access and replace components for future upgrades. Powerful processors, configurable with either the Snapdragon X or Snapdragon X Plus, paired with up to 32 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. Comprehensive connectivity, features Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, multiple USB ports, including USB-C 4, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and Ethernet. Silent operation, integrated power supply and optimized design for minimal noise. The IdeaCentre Mini X is positioned as a high-performance, compact PC that can handle a variety of tasks, from everyday computing to creative projects. Its upgradable design and powerful components make it a compelling choice for users seeking a flexible and future-proof system.